In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your iPhone screen mirroring is not working on your TV. So first, ensure both devices are connected to your Wi-Fi network, then swipe down in the top right corner on your phone and select the screen mirroring icon. Now when you do this, you should see your TV pop up there, and if not, we're going to go to settings on your TV. Now once you're in settings, under display or system settings, you want to look for the AirPlay settings. Now once you find it, go ahead and open it up. And then once you're in the Apple AirPlay, make sure this feature is turned on. Now you can test it out again to see if screen mirroring works if it was turned off. And if it was turned on already, scroll down and select Reset Paired Devices if you've used it previously. Now once you've unpaired all your devices, go back to the home screen. And now we're going to try and screen mirror again. Now your TV should pop up at this point and you want to tap on it. And then it should automatically begin screen mirroring on your TV after you've input a code if you set one up. So I'm going to go ahead and input the AirPlay code right now, and then after a couple seconds, you can now see screen mirroring's working. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.